Well, every year we bring a new Zenfone, and now it's time to introduce the 6th generation. I guess everyone is excited to see how it will look like, how the new Zenfone will be, what it can do, and the reasons why we made it so special. So let's start. Because if you are here for specs, well, here they are. It's a massive amount of RAM, super fast storage, complete Wi-Fi specs, personal wireless connections, and the most important, the hyper-fast, hyper-powerful Snapdragon 855. You probably know this beast, right? It runs on octa-core Cryo processor at 2.8 gigahertz, has a new Adreno 640 GPU, so you can play any game you like, and the new Hexagon 690, so you can explore the best of the AI capabilities on Zenfone 6. So Zenfone 5.6 will come with an incredible 5,000 milliampere battery and Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 technology. 5,000 milliampere battery in a 800 series. How cool is that? Well, we packed the state-of-art camera from Sony, the flagship IMX586, with real 48 megapixels. It sports the quad buyer technology that can combine 4 pixels to bring unparalleled capturing light, equivalent to 1.6 micron and aperture of f1.79. The second camera is an ultra-wide angle with extended angle of 125 degrees. You can capture even more. There is a new PDAF system that is faster than ever, laser focus, and dual LED flash. But actually, you may think that we need more cameras, right? Well, we think a little different. Actually, we believe that all you need are 2 cameras. You don't need to have tons of cameras that will just make a more expensive smartphone. We try our best to deliver what you really need. The ultra-wide angle camera sports a powerful 13 megapixel sensor, and it does real-time corrections to free your pictures from any distortion. And a real 48 megapixel sensor can give you the chance to zoom in on pictures with excellent quality anytime you want, directly from your image gallery. So we combine the main sensor and the ultra-wide angle sensor in one single frame. They take both pictures at the same time, but in different angles. We did that to use the 48 megapixel sensor to capture the most important thing, people's face. So you can have the perfect portrait. What about pictures at night? Well, here we have some good examples of incredible pictures that I took at night with Zenfone 6. I did it by my own. That's São Paulo, my hometown. I just took the Zenfone 6 from my pocket and boom, boom, boom. Now let me zoom in this picture right in the middle for you. You still can see the details. Low light conditions, no noise. Amazing details. Zenfone 6 comes with stereo speakers. Yes, stereo speakers. One in the top, another one in the bottom. Headphone jack, USB Type-C, a triple slot tray, notification LED, dual amazing back cameras, and for sure, there is no front cameras. That's the picture of the front face of Zenfone 6. And yes, I guess you notice. We don't have a notch. I think everybody likes it, right? No notch. It's a beautiful and bright 19.5 by 9.64 inches full HD plus IPS display with 600 nits and DCI P3 color gamut, all protected by the Gorilla Glass 6. An amazing visual experience, free of distractions. But how did we pack all inside? So many stuff, right? Well, you may know, we are kind of famous for creating motherboards, right? To fit all together, we have to develop a new motherboard we decided to fully redesign the logic board and put it together in a sandwich design, 2 boards at the same time. Let me show you the new Zen UI for Zenfone 6. The look and feel is as closer as possible of the stock Android. On the right side of Zenfone 6, we include a new button. We call it Smart Key. It was designed to trigger the Google Assistant. With 1 click to call Google Assistant, double click for personal updates, or press and hold to talk to Google Assistant in the walkie-talkie mode. It's a totally new camera system, never done before. In a smartphone, you never see something like this. We name it Flip Camera. The best of the flagship back cameras now on the front. It's crafted on high-grade aluminum with Gorilla Glass 6. The new Zenfone 6 has a premium design and comes in 2 colors, Midnight Black and Twilight Silver. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, say hello to the all-new Zenfone 6. So, Zenfone 6 will be available with options of 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. But what about the price? That's the main moment, right? How much this gorgeous smartphone may cost? The price for Zenfone 6 starts from €499 on the 6 GB RAM, 64 GB RAM, $559 for 6 GB RAM, 128 GB RAM, and 8 GB RAM, 256 GB RAM for $599. That's amazing prices, isn't it? We are not raising the price.